So in the early days, it was just Byron and I. And we were racing, running around the country. We were actually the factory team for Suzuki doing the drag racing. It was a lot of fun. We thought we were a couple of rock stars, just kids, just having fun running around the country. But then it became a situation where we knew it was going to be a serious thing to try to involve all of these ideas and things that we were doing at the racetrack into products to sell to dealers and consumers. We worked really hard from the very beginning, and we came up with some good ideas. So Byron had an idea for a 4-into-1 exhaust system. We started making it, started selling it, and in 1982, I think, was the first year we did that. It turned out very, very good. People at the dealership level and at the consumer level really wanted the product in a big way, so we started ramping up and making product. I think we both felt like we knew it was going to be a good-sized company and that it was going to be an important brand in the industry, but I think we both just wanted respect, and we wanted to kind of work as hard as we could to develop a brand that people would recognize and give respect for us, because we were just a couple of kids racing. We never thought it would turn into robots and lasers and things that are happening out there on the manufacturing floor with 600 people. But we knew from the very beginning we wanted to make the very best products that anyone could buy. And I think we've done a good job of achieving that. When you see the Vance and Hines mark, you know that you're getting a very quality product. And I think the consumer knows that as well. And I think they have for a long time. We've always used racing to kind of promote the brand. We think it's very important. We think it kind of gets right down to the root of why a consumer thinks good things about a product to start with. But you have to back it up with the product itself. And I think we've done that as well. But you know, racing is not the only thing that's important at Vance and Hines. The technology is important. The people are important. You know, every facet of our business we've tried as hard as we can to make sure we've done the very best. I mean, we partnered with Harley-Davidson in 2001 for a reason. We wanted to be able to have people at the Harley-Davidson level buy our products and know that they could buy the very best stuff. A lot of people didn't think that Vance and Hines could put a brand on a Harley-Davidson pipe and actually sell it. But I guess we've proven them wrong over the years.